Hello friends, I'm Angelica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this OGX Anti-Breakage Keratin Oil Conditioner. Today after shampoo, I use this conditioner and I keep it about 4 minutes on my hair and I rinsed off. And I felt after using it, it made my hair more beautiful and added shine to it, smoother. Actually, it contains keratin oil and argan oil, which helps your hair, which prevent breaking and repair your hairs after styling and drying. Now, as you can see कि मेरे बाल सूख चुके हैं. It's almost dry. तो आई एम फीलिंग लाइक ये बहुत स्मूथ हो चुके हैं पहले से एंड इतना ज़्यादा टेंगल्ड भी नहीं है. In fact, I even can notice how smoother these have become after using that keratin conditioner. See the texture of my hair now. It is more smoother than it was earlier. So this was my review about OGX Anti-Breakage Keratin Oil Conditioner. It works very good for me. Try it on your hair and let me know how it works with you and your hair. Please tell me in comment. Like and subscribe my channel and